Now we shall see the objectives of nursing service in hospitals. It includes management of nursing care and services, education, training and staff development programs, and nursing research. Objectives of nursing service. As you know, if you don't know where you are going, then sure as anything you won't go there. Objectives are vital in management. These are important. It is the first step to planning process. Objectives are very important in dynamic and changing environment. Some goals remain constant while others are changed in changing conditions. Definitions of objectives. Objectives are neutral, bias free, relating to or based on verifiable evidence or phenomenon instead of an attitude, belief, or belief opinion. Concepts of objectives are it has a goal, scope, definiteness, and direction. Objectives are goals that are expected and anticipated end results. The ultimate desired state towards which objectives and resources are directed. It is described as to what to be achieved, that is the goal, and the extent to which it has to be achieved, that is the scope. And it has a definite scope and tells us where we want to go, definiteness. How shall we reach, and these objectives guide our action, that is direction. The definitions of objectives we can see through the WhatsApp. I have given you some notes. We will see that there. Now we continue. Importance of objectives. Without objectives, planning is not initiated. And objectives lay down specific direction and measurable speed of organization. Objectives is a specific step, a milestone, which enables to achieve the goal. And nature of objectives, it states the end results. Overall objectives need to be supported by sub-objectives and as per the level of hierarchy. And the objectives form the hierarchy. So the objectives range from broad aim to specific individual objective, right from top level to the individual level. It may take top down or bottom up approach for setting objectives. It has both merits and demerits, but a combination is followed. Formulation of nursing objectives. We can see now the characteristics of nursing objectives, classification of nursing objectives, types of nursing objectives based on hierarchy or operational objectives, nursing services specific to hospital nursing services. So all these you can follow in the WhatsApp. I have given you the copy of the notes. We can listen to the WhatsApp. Okay, the rest you can listen through the WhatsApp. Thank you.